Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be covering how to create Databricks free account. Let's start. Search Databricks. Select the option 2. As you can see, Databricks homepage. There are basically two type of account available. One is paid account with the full set of feature, and another one is free account with limited set of feature. Free version is called Databricks Community Edition. It's completely free for learning and practice purpose. Let's start with create free account. On right hand side and top option available, try Databricks button. Click on the button. Here we need to provide some basic details. First name, enter email ID, combine name. You can give myself or my own or personal or learning, anything, it's fine. I'm giving myself. Title, you can fill it as data engineer. Phone number, it's optional. Country, India. Click on the continue button. As you can see, option AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform. So we are going to use free version. So click on the button below. Get started with Community Edition. Check your email to start your trial. Just I opened email. Get started by visiting. Yeah. Click on the link. Update your password. Yeah. Let's create a new account. First we need to create cluster. Click on the cluster option. Give name. Create compute. It started configuration and installation. A cluster created successfully. create notebook, test sample. Yeah, it's working fine. Results as expected. Now we have successfully created Databricks free account, tested, it's working fine. You can use anywhere because it's a cloud provider. If you like this video, please subscribe and share so that you will be receiving more video in future. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.